Yeah.
Do it.
So this is actually the first time since I've been growing up that I actually need paper. I wrote this a while ago, but I haven't really been paying much attention to it. It's been in the back of my closet pretty much. So I don't have all the words. So yeah. I'm going to sing in this one also, just the beginning. Here's this one. Okay. So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love, think about it. Every time I think about it, can't stop thinking about it. How much longer will it take to cure this? Just a cure, 'cause I can't ignore it. If it's love, love makes me want to turn around and face it, but I don't know nothing about love. What is love? Well, I don't know, I'm still young, but to me, love is God. Selflessness. Grandma's house, watching Wizard of Oz over eggnog ice cream. Having a best friend. Knowing it could never work, but giving it all you got anyway. Love is pure. Drinking tea, you and me, poetry, music from the heart. Love is doomed from the start. Love is easy. Love is complicated. Love is noticeable. Love is hidden in each smile, eyes, footsteps, dragonflies. Love is never letting go, but setting free if you have